everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So in a previous video we did some cabinets right along the top here, and then we also did these drawers. Well, we did the spice cabinet already, so we're going to go ahead and move on here under the sink, and that's a job all by itself. Let me show you. We have to clean this mess. So let's get started. So what I did want to say is that this video is part of a collaboration, a clean and declutter, and this is hosted by At Penny's Place. So now the co-hostesses are Melissa from Buckeye Girls Roots and Things, and the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and that is me. So all we ask is that you use YouTube etiquette. We also ask that you full watch the videos, subscribe to our channels, and click that like button, and make sure and comment below because I would love to hear from you. Okay, now this side is done. Now we're gonna head over to this side. That was a workout, guys. Let's keep it moving. So I will be linking the hosts and the co-hostesses down below in the description box along with the playlist. Okay, so here we have our cleaner. It's already mixed. Remember, warm water, some vinegar, and a couple of drops of Dawn, and we are good. We're going to spray all of this. We're going to give it a nice, good, heavy-duty amount. We're going to leave this sit for about half an hour, and then I will be back to scrub this down. Okay, so as you can see here, definitely that liner needs to be changed, but I don't have any right now, so we're just going to clean this up really good and change it at another time. Okay guys, this was the mess that I took out of that cabinet. Now I'm going to start sorting this out, and hopefully we'll just come down to a bare minimum that goes back in there. Let's get started, guys. This is a job. Okay guys, we have the garbage can over here, and I have this knee pad over here because we have to get on this floor and sort this stuff out. So all right, let's get started. So we need to keep this. These are all garbage bags. I'm going to get that in one pile. Then the cleaners that I use, keep those together. So we have quite a bit of those in this bag, so I'm just going to keep them in that bag. try to put them in here. Good idea. This way we could see what it is. Yep, I think we can use this. We need to have the fire extinguisher. Okay. Okay, everything I didn't need, we tossed it. Okay, and then this is what's left. So now I'm gonna turn around and scrub the bottom of that sink. Okay, I am so glad I'm done. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys.